Good morning, class 4. Welcome to Dipti Bridgewell digital class. Today I will explain you chapter number 14. This is worksheet A1, that means the syllabus of annual. We are taking the first chapter of second UT, that is included in annual syllabus. The name of the chapter is the Nightingale. So, first open chapter number 14, page number 91. Your book, chapter number 14, page number 91, and you have to write the today's date. The title of this story is The Nightingale. It is a very interesting chapter. In this chapter, there is a king of China who is very fond of music. Once, in his palace, it was famous, very famous, and in the palace surrounding, there was the most beautiful garden in the world. This garden ended in a forest. In the forest, there were so many trees. In one of the trees, there lived a nightingale who sang so sweetly that everybody stopped still and listened to the song of the nightingale. Means its song made everything forgettable. Soon, the king also heard of the nightingale and he ordered his court to bring that nightingale before him to sing a song. But nobody knew where it lived. There was a poor little girl who walked in a royal kitchen of the king. She informed the court that she knew where the nightingale lived. So half of the court went with her to find the nightingale in the forest. And the girl pointed to a tree. There was a grey bird sitting. That this is the particular nightingale we were talking about. But the person related to court did not believe because the nightingale looks very dull. But the girl said to the nightingale that the king has ordered you to come in the court just before to sing song. The nightingale replied that my song sounded best in the open, that means in the forest. But as the king has ordered, I must come before the king and I will sing song for him. When the nightingale was brought to the court, the king ordered him to song. And as soon as it started singing, the king was very amused and said that you have to stay with me. And the nightingale was kept into a golden case and it was provided the most delicious food. One day, the king received a parcel and on the top of the parcel there was a marking, the name, the Nightingale. As soon as the king opened it, he found a golden nightingale and there was just a key lying beside it. That means it was a toy, not a live nightingale. It was just a toy, means you just wound it up with the key and it started singing some musical tunes. The king was very surprised and thought that it must be shown to the live nightingale. That means just wounding up with a key, started singing musical tunes more than 30 times. So everybody started searching the nightingale, but nobody found the nightingale there. That means it had flown away in the forest. One day the king became very ill and it ordered to the nightingale, that was one type of toy, to sing a song for him, but it could not sing. Why? Because you just know that it was a type of toy. It means whenever you means buy a toy, you wound it up with a key, but there is a system of battery or whatsoever. If it is worn out inside or it is finished, okay. So there was no music inside the toy. The nightingale, that is a type of toy. Suddenly the live nightingale came in front of the window and started the most delicious melodious song for the king, and the king started feeling better, and it said to the nightingale that you must stay with me. But the nightingale replied that means there was a message for the king by the nightingale that let not any bird live in a cage. That means this was the request of the nightingale to the king that you should not let any bird live in a cage, because any bird don't like to live in a cage. They like freedom, because freedom gives us true happiness. If you are promising me that you will not keep any bird in the cage, I will promise you that every day in the evening I will come to your window and I will sing most melodious song for you. So the main thing, the main lesson of the chapter is freedom gives us happiness. So first of all, your homework is you will read this chapter. Your homework, read chapter number 14 twice. Okay, then thank you. We will again meet in the second video.